Hello guys, I am Raman Khan. I am a teacher in government school and I am from in India. Okay, so now I will teach you Hindi language and how to you are able to learn Hindi language, how to write in Hindi and how to speak in Hindi language. Okay, okay. Now this is look at me. Look at here. This is the vowel of English language. Okay, you all are knows the English language having 5 vowels. This is one. A, E, I, O, U. A stand for A, E stand for E, I means E, O means O, and it means U. Here is the vowel of Hindi language. This is the base of the structures Hindi language. If you know this, if you are able to learn these vowels of Hindi language, you can speak easily. You can write Hindi language very easily way, and it help you to read out the Hindi language, and it help you to write Hindi language. Okay. So first of all, you know this. All are you know this language in English language, and here is also there is sound. Here is also sound of A, E, I, O, U. You know it very well. Here I will tell you the sound of vowel of Hindi language. Okay. You can say this a, this a, this e, and this e, and this u, and this u. Okay. This a, and this a, and this o, and this ow, and this and a. This is the vowel of Hindi language. But in the exam point of view, in Hindi language, it's 11. And this is the vowel of Hindi language and 13. Okay, but we are consider and focus on only 11 vowels of Hindi language. Okay, dear. Now you speak at these vowel sounds, Hindi vowel sounds at home in a day 4 times and 5 times. You learn it easily. I also once again repeat it. How to speak in Hindi language? A, E, U, Re. It means re. And this A, O, Au, Ang, A. Once again. A, E, U, Re. A, O, Ang, A. And once again I repeat it. You listen carefully and try to speak like me. Okay. A, E, U, Re. A, O, Au, Ang, A. Okay, my dear. If you learn this vowel sounds of Hindi language, it's help you to write Hindi language, as well it helps you to speak Hindi language, and this is also help you to write how to write Hindi language. Okay, this is my first video. If you like it, subscribe me and watch it regularly. Okay, if when you are free time. Okay, it's help you. I 100% sure if you learn this vowels of Hindi language, you are feel very happy and you are comfortable to write Hindi language. But this is the swar, this is the vowel of Hindi language. After next day, I will give you the consonant of Hindi language. Okay, this is the vowel of Hindi, and next day I will give you the consonant of Hindi language. Okay, watch it regularly. Thank you and have a nice day.